Whiskers, the neighborhood's craftiest cat, had a new nemesis, the family's robot vacuum. One day, Whiskers devised a plan. He scattered catnip in a circle, luring the vacuum in. As it spun dizzy laps, Whiskers pounced onto its back like a furry rodeo star, determined to ride it into submission. The vacuum, unfazed, beeped and calmly navigated under the couch, with Whiskers still aboard. Stuck, Whiskers meowed for help, and the humans found him hours later, eyes wide, riding a robot he'd never underestimate again.